Happy New Year, friends. Welcome back to Tazori Home. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 favorite 2025 design trends. I want to preface this video by saying trends are not something you should be following blindly. They're super fun to explore. They're trends for a reason, but it's really important that you ask yourself, do I truly love this trend because I love it for me, or do I love it because somebody I admire loves it? If it were to go out of style next year, would I still love it? You know, with fashion, trends come and go a lot more quickly. It's easier to implement them and let go of them, which I am not for. But with home decisions, they're more long lasting, right? You're gonna pick a countertop for your kitchen and you're probably not gonna change it next year. It'll probably be there for a little while. So you wanna make sure that you're pursuing timelessness. And what timeless means for you is going to be different than timeless for the person next to you, because really timeless design is about choosing pieces and choosing a style that really speaks to who you are as a person. And if you don't know what your design style is and you struggle with understanding what it is that you truly love, I have created a free course for you. It's actually a course we have inside of our membership community that I am offering to you for free today. It's a Discovering Your Design Style course, and I go through so many different design styles and what characterizes them, teaching you about what they are, and also showing you how you can achieve those looks in your home. So I take you through different exercises for you to understand what it is that you truly love and then how to implement that look in your home. So if that sounds interesting to you, it's totally free. It's down in the description below, and I hope it really helps you today. Without further ado, let's get into my top 5 2025 design trends. Trend number 1 that I am very excited about is immersive bathrooms. Okay, bathrooms are becoming less and less simply, purely practical and functional, and really a lot of people are making their bathrooms an experience. And I'm so here for this. I think about when you're at a restaurant and you have a friend go to the bathroom and then they come back and they're like, oh my gosh, you have to see this bathroom. I love that. And that was actually something a friend of mine, an interior designer, Taylor Simon, pointed out to me. And I was like, wait, that's so true. That should be a thing in our homes. So, bathrooms that give you an experience that are a little different and unexpected from the rest of your home. So for that, people are doing this with using wallpaper or textured walls, really specific, unique, unexpected design elements, moody lighting, bold color choices. There's so many different ways you can make your bathroom immersive in an experience and unexpected. But we're just seeing a lot more of this in design, and I'm very much loving it. Here's to playing more in our bathrooms in 2025. All right, number 2. Trend number 2 is indoor-outdoor spaces kind of getting blended. And this is something that COVID really kickstarted because people were like, oh my goodness, I'm stuck in my house. I need somewhere else to go. I need to be outside. But I think as a society in general, we're recognizing the importance of spending time outside, getting some sun on our faces, enjoying nature. And so we're seeing a lot more of indoor-outdoor living, bringing the outside in, bringing the inside out. Treating our outdoor area as an extension of our home and not separate from our home. So treating your backyard like another room in your house. Thinking about the lighting outside, thinking about spaces for conversation and dining and experiences. Kitchens with large sliding doors leading out to a garden where you're gonna pick your fresh herbs and bring them back into your kitchen and cook with them freshly. And then you're gonna go out to your alfresco dining table and you're gonna eat out there with your friends. And then you're gonna go in and out of your kitchen. It's just gonna be like one space. Love that. So I'm very excited for 2025 and us all prioritizing our outdoor spaces, because I think it'll make our lives all a lot happier. Number 3 is sculptural lighting. And not just sculptural lighting, but statement lighting. This is kind of along the lines with the bathroom situation trend, but lighting is becoming less purely functional and also an opportunity to express yourself in your home. I really see lighting in a home as jewelry for your space. And obviously you can be a little limited if you're in a rental, but you can still make cool, exciting lighting choices with sconces and floor lamps and table lamps. So really treating lighting as art and not just a way to light your space. And along with that, we're seeing a lot more layered lighting. So using all different types of lights, like I said before, floor lamps, chandeliers, sconces, table lamps, all the things to really create that layered lighting look that creates a really cozy atmosphere. Trend number 4 that I'm excited about is kitchens that are packed with color. I'm definitely a neutral lover in general. I love color in like soft hues, but I don't have really any bright colors in our home. That's just personally what I love. But I am loving seeing kitchens that have more lively colors in them. I talk about this inside of our membership and our color theory course, but just the impact of color in your home and in different spaces and how that can evoke certain emotions, it can have such an effect in your home. And I feel that kitchens are a great place. They're a place where you want to be inspired and feel creative and stirred. And so using pops of color like yellow or wallpaper or brightly colored tiles, like those are things that are gonna really spark and ignite that creativity in you, and it's gonna aid you in what you're doing in the kitchen, which is cooking a meal for your family and creating an atmosphere of like just fun and creativity and excitement. Trend number 5 that I am excited about is broken floor plans. We were seeing a lot of open concept homes. That was like, I feel like that's all we were seeing for a long time. And again, this is another one that I think COVID did kickstart because people were in their homes and they were like, everybody's always together, you need your own space, whatever it might be. And I see a lot more people, building walls in their homes where they had been knocked down, creating exciting transitions from room to room, and really having different rooms and places in their homes for different experiences. I think with open concept homes, if that's what you have, you can make it work and you can create zones and it can be wonderful. But I do like the idea of, leaning away from that way of designing our homes and knocking down the walls and really leaning into the character that comes with separate rooms. I think there's something nice about open concept when it comes to gathering and having a lot of people in your home, but I think there's a way to merge both, because I really do feel that in your home you should have different places for different experiences. Like maybe you have a room that's your relaxing room where you just get to it's your palate cleanser where you can relax and refresh. And then there's another room where this is the place where you gather with people and it's conversational and it's fun. And then you have maybe another room where this is where you're inspired and you really dive into your creativity, and you can do, if you have more rooms to play with, you can create those experiences. So I'm definitely for the broken floor plan trend that is going on. And again, it's not like everybody can just knock down a wall or build up a wall. So it's kind of but I thought I'd mention it. Overall, with all these trends I mentioned, I'm just excited because all of them are leaning more into personality and celebrating individuality. And that's what I love. I feel that people are really tired of seeing the same thing over and over again. People want to see more personality in homes. It would be so sad if every home was the same. I would be so sad if every home that I went into was like mine. I love my style. I love living in my home. But if I go into somebody else's home, I want to see who they are, right? I want to see who you are and your story and your experiences. And so we as people are so layered, and so our home should be too. And that's not with the amount of things. It's not that to have a layered home, you have to have a lot of things everywhere, right? You can be a minimalist and still have a layered home that tells a story. It's really about knowing who you are and knowing how to express that in your home. So again, if you feel like you're not exactly sure how to do that, make sure to check out my Discovering Your Design Style course down below. It's totally for free. I think it'll really help you and give you a good jumping off point for this new year, 2025, really understanding your style, what you love, and being able to achieve that and implement it in your home. Let me know in the comments what trend you're most excited about for 2025 and that you hope to implement in your own home, even if it wasn't included in my personal top 5. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content. And if you want to go even deeper and you're really craving to create a home this year that you truly love, you want to take action in your home, you want to know your style, you want to create a home that you love on your budget, we help women all over do this inside of our membership community. So you can check out the link below for information on that. But we have monthly live calls with industry experts and monthly giveaway challenges and courses and resources designed to help you grow and thrive in your home, homemaking, hostessing. So would love to have you join us. Make sure to check that out below. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.